Hi friends, good morning. How are you all? Okay, so today my topic is in trigonometry. Subtopic is units of measurement of angles. This is part 2, my dear students. So before visiting this part 2, once see in my playlist part 1 trigonometric basics will be there. After learning the trigonometric basics, then this topic will be very strong, my dear friends. So now I'll start my topic. So before I started the topic, so I'll give a small reminder, my dear friends. So till now, who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell symbol. Then my next notifications will come to your mobile, my dear friends. Thank you all. So now I'll start the topic, my dear friends. So units of measurement of an angle. So units of measurement of an angle means there are three types are there. There are three types will be there. So what are the three types means? First one is sexagesimal measure, and second one is centesimal measure, and third one is radian measure. So these are the three type of units of measurement of an angle, my dear friends. So now first of all I am going to explain units of measurement of an angle, my dear friends. So now first one is units of measurement of an angle. First one is sexagesimal measure. Sexagesimal measure. So what is the measure of this? Units of sexagesimal measure is degrees. So units are degrees, my dear friends. Units are degrees means it can be written as 1 power of 0. That is called as 1 degree, my dear friends. So now what is the definition of degree, friends? What is the definition of a degree? In a circle, the terminal ray rotating 1 by 360th part of one complete rotation is called as a degree, my dear friends. Okay, but how it will be 1 by 360 degrees means so now here if it is in a circle, it complete rotation means it makes an angle is 360 degrees, my dear friends. It's nothing but 360 degrees, my dear friends. So now in this is called as radius means here suppose if it is moving here 1 degree means so this moving here how much this part is moving 1 degree means 1 by 360th part of one complete rotation is called as a degree, my dear friends. So now one right angle is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, so now again here 1 degree can be written as 60 equal parts, is each part is called as minutes. That implies, so this I am converting into this value in terms of minutes means 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degrees. So that is first conversion, my dear friends. So similarly in that second one is 1 minute, again it is divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is called as second. Again here, so that seconds are converts into minutes means 1 second equals to 1 by 60 minutes. Again this minutes are converted into degrees means here 1 degree can be substituted here 1 by 60 into 1 degree can be written as again 1 by 60 whole power of the degrees. So that is nothing but 1 by 3000 degrees. So 1 degree equal to 60 equal parts, 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degrees. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, 60 equal parts, each part is called as second. Again 1 second equal to 1 by 60 degrees means 1 by 60 into, again this 1 minute will be converted into degrees means 1 by 60 degrees. So then it is called as 1 by 3000 600 degrees, my dear friends. So this information about degrees, my dear friends. So now here this can be measured as the letter is D or D degrees, like that. Okay. So that is about first measure, students. So 6 decimal measure. Then what is the second measure? Then what is the second measure means? Second measure is centesimal measure. So centesimal measure, what are the units? Units of centesimal measure is grades. Centesimal measure units are grades, friends. So then now what is the definition of a grade? Simply, in a circle again terminal ray rotating 1 by 400th part of one complete rotation. One complete rotation is called as a grade. So grade is denoted by G, power of G, like that. So this is about a symbol of grade. So then again here one right angle is equals to conversion. One right angle is equals to 90 degrees. That implies, sorry, one right angle is equals to here 100 grades. That implies here 1 grade is equals to here 1 right angle by 1 by 100 right angles. So that implies here 1 power of Z is equals to 1 right angle is equals to 90 degrees. So by 100, that is nothing but 9 by 10 is nothing but 0.9 degrees. So one grade is equals to in terms of degrees, my dear friends. So similarly here 1 grade is equals to 100 equal parts. Each part is called as a minute. That implies 1 minute is converting into grades means 1 by 100 grades. 1 by 100 grades. So similarly here 1 minute again it is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called as a second. So that implies 1 second equals to 1 by 100 minutes. Again this 1 minute is nothing but 1 by 100 grades. So substitute here. So that equals to 1 by 10 to the power of 4 whole power of G. Means this is the conversion of grades, friends. So similarly now, so this is about centesimal measure, second measure, students. So then I want to explain third measure. This third measure is very, very, very important. It is called as radian measure. It is called as radian measure. So now third one is, what is radian measure? So this definition is also important. That's why I am writing the definition also. So now radian measure nothing but radian is the angle subtended by an arc of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle. So this is the definition, my dear friends. So see all of you. So first of all, I consider the circle, but in the circle this O is called the center of the circle. O is called the center of the circle. So now here, suppose here this is called as radius. What is the radius means? The center of the circle to draw on any point in the circle. So the between length is called as radius. And again here you have considered as one more radius, or this is called as A and this is called as B. Now this length is radius means again this arc length is also R means now here making as 1 radian. So radian is measured as C. Radian is measured as the C. So now what is the definition? Once we check, radian is defined as the angle subtended by an arc of length is equal to the radius of the circle. The angle subtended by an arc of length is equal to the radius of the circle. Then here makes an angle is okay 1 radian, my dear friends. For example, in the same principle, it can be formed here, that is C. Here also forming one more radius. So this is also radius. So once observe here, this length is called as, here makes an angle is 2 radians. This is 3 radians. This is 4 radians, 5 radians, like that. So similarly, it will be forming completely one complete rotation, means this is nothing but, so this is rotating one complete rotation, that is called as circumference. Circumference means here C is equals to completely 360 degrees. C is nothing but here 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 360 degrees. So now after that this conversion will be there, my dear friends. So now here actually, but here 1 radian is equals to 57 degrees 16 minutes, and 1 degree is equals to 0.01476 radians, my dear friends. So now how will get this 2 pi r is 360 degrees and 1 radian is equals to 57 degrees 16 minutes, and 1 degree is equals to 0.101476 radians. So how it will be? So I will say in the next video, my dear friends. So this topic is units of measurements of angles. So I explained sexagesimal measure, centesimal measure, and radian measure. Enough. So next this 1 degree, 1 radian conversion and 1 degree conversion, and again this is about 360 degrees, how it will be forming. So in the next video I will tell you, my dear friends. So this is my second part of trigonometric, friends. So now if you like my video heartfully, so please like me and comment me, and again till now who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell symbol, then next my notifications will come to your mobile, friends. So again one more important factor of this trigonometry, friends. So actually here many proofs, many are there. So based on that proofs and everything, each and everything, I want to explain it further in the next part. That's why what I am saying. So if you are any well wishers are there, please share these videos or this link to your well wishers. Definitely, so you will learn so many things from my channel. So I wish you all the best, my dear friends. So thank you all. Have a nice day.